that world is full of hatred, chaos, hypocrisy, and then Almighty came here in this world. He was born at a time when hatred, greed, hypocrisy prevail upon the land. In that circumstances, during this period, Jesus Christ came in this world to rescue humanity. So, He taught us to live with love and affection. He taught us to live with love and brotherhood. All the students as well as parents must be delighted today that they are going to celebrate this festival, which is a symbol of love and affection. My dear students, I would like to convey a message to all the students to be a good human being first. Respect your parent, respect your teacher, respect your elder, and you go ahead in life. In order to achieve something in life, you have to be honest in life. You have to be honest to yourself. You have to be patient. You have to take risk in life, but at the same time, you have to be calculated. Going through the difficult time, find it out, and you can do it with a smile. My dear parents, this opportunity provided me. Today I have got this opportunity to say something on this, about this school activity also. Everybody knows that this school is setting a new milestone in catering to the need of the students for their multi-dimensional development. This school will evolve into a sacred temple of learning where quality education is imparted to the students. There is no hesitation in saying that this school is progressing by leaps and bounds. Students, you have the ability to introduce changes and bring revolution in every field. Challenges are yet to come in everyone's life, but there is nothing to bother about. You have the ability to face the challenges. It is my aim to mold our students in such a way so that they must be recognized by their own behavior and character. The student of this school should continue to do well, and whatever task they set to do with utmost devotion and integrity. For your kind information, sir, our teachers are very qualified, dignified, and experienced, and are giving a individual attention to the students. The students at this school are groomed into young ladies and gentlemen to take up their role as a self-supporting citizen of society. In the coming time, this school will be number one school in this area. Our teachers, students are very much efficient, and they are not leaving any stone unturned in taking the flag of this school to a greater and greater height. We have great hope. We have great hope for health, wealth, and prosperity. At the last, I would like to tell you, wish you a Merry Christmas. My wishes and prayer are that God always help you, God always keep you healthy and happy. Wish you a Merry Christmas once again. Thank you. Wish you all the best.
थैंक यू सो मच ऑनरेबल प्रिंसिपल सर। जैसा कि ऑनरेबल